The next story we're going to hear is by SIJ Acroni, Mateusz Fazarinc.
Thank you. I'm almost positive that most of you have heard that Jesenice was named Town of the Red Dust in the past. It was red because of the dust polluted from Acroni's acid regeneration plant. Well, decades ago, the plant itself was modernized to have a sufficient dedusting units, and town slowly started to change to what we see now. But nevertheless, the dust source remained the same. So when it was time to modernize the acid regeneration plant, we decided to challenge the status quo and decided that it was time to change the strip cleaning process as a whole. The strip cleaning process is a process where we clean our final product to have a sufficient optical and physical functionality. So therefore, challenging the known meant that we had to search for other options of strip cleaning, but we have found none that could really fit us. And but then an idea sparked. We are using shot blasting process on our other major product, the fixed steel plates. When we checked with our competitors, none of them was using this process, so we thought we've hit a brick wall. But as you might know, brick walls are not always there to keep us out, but just to measure how much we want something. It took a lot of dedication, willpower, and energy of 2 men to start to develop this idea into something that we can now all be proud of. The energy and enthusiasm of Janez and Bojan started spreading like a wildfire through the company, took a lot of other employees along the way, and through the thick and thin, the process of strip cleaning was altered. Before, we needed 120 cubic meters of oil on site and 200 cubic meters of hydrochloric acid on site to have the same effect as we do now with just an inert sand. Environmentally friendly, totally recyclable, and safe. So in the end, you will probably wonder, what do we as a community can gain from this or can even be proud of? Well, just as an example, my wife is just about to give birth to our second son. So I couldn't be more proud of her. But I also could not be more proud of Acroni and its employees that made this innovation possible and help us all raise our children in a safer and nicer environment. Thank you.
The rest of the team.